So you can't eat this, you know?
No, I know. No sushi, no hot dogs. Hot dogs are the worst.
No alcohol.
No alcohol.
No cigarettes.
I never even smoked.
Well, I'm just saying, I mean...
You mean to tell me you've never smoked a cigarette in your entire life?
Not one.
You can never be too careful.
He's so cute. He grabbed my hand the other day while I went down the stairs.
Just trying to watch out for my investment.
Anna, I want you to return my words with friends.
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. I haven't had time.
Hey, congrats.
Hey, thank you.
So, twins, huh?
Yes, a boy and a girl.
Kind of perfect.
It's exactly what your mom and I were hoping for.
It's so wonderful.
Oh, gosh, sorry. Gotta take this.
So how far along are you?
Oh, 5 weeks. I know it's just the early days, but how we found out and when we found out couldn't have happened any better.
Oh, it's great. It's amazing.
So, Mom, how you feeling?
California's okay.
Mostly fine.
Really?
How are you feeling?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, you look great.
I use this thing,
You feel sick?
instead of a memory.
No, not at all.
Wow.
Well, it reminds me to take my
When did you do
medications and things like that.
Well, it's so nice how technology can help.
I like it.
Excited?
Oh, absolutely.
Lydia, what time does the play start?
It's 8 o'clock.
Are you nervous about tomorrow?
Yes, but I'll be fine once I'm up there. But I definitely have to block all of you guys.
I'm sorry. What time did you say the play was again?
8 o'clock.
Mom, you don't have to schedule it. It's okay.
No, I want to put it in. Where is it?
The Saugatuck Theater.
Can you spell that?
Come on, Mom. It's not like we're going to forget to take you.
Just let her do it.
Anna, you're not helping.
No, you're not helping. Why should she have to worry about remembering something that she doesn't even have to remember?
Why don't you just let her do it so she won't worry? Why do you have to talk about her as if she isn't sitting right here?
I'm not. I'm talking to her. Right, Mom?
Yes. Yes, you are.
And what makes you such an expert?
Oh, shut up.
Oh, grow up,
You
Lydia.
girls.
Suck it.
Oh, nice.
No
well
more.
said. Articulate.
That's enough of all that stuff.
Why are you such an asshole?
No more.
What is going on?
Alice, this spread is awesome.
Thank you, Charlie.